Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can message someone in OnlyFans. First of all, go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser. Now what you need to do is click on Message on the left hand side of your screen. You can only message those people or creator to which you have subscribed. So let me show it to you. I am messaging OnlyFans and you can see clearly that if we go to their screen and click message, you can lead to this page and you can start messaging them. After you click send, you can now start messaging them. So it's quite simple. You can simply delete it after your message also. If you click new message and click on the subscribed person, you can start messaging with them. This was a video on how you can start messaging in OnlyFans. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. I hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.